So I saw this recipe on TikTok and I saw pumpkin spice horchata and I was like, hell yeah. So you're gonna toast 1 cup of rice, 1 cinnamon stick, let that cool. Once it's cool, then you're gonna add 1 cup of water, let that sit overnight. You wanna cover that up. Then the next day, you're gonna get your rice and water mixture, put it into the blender, 1 can of evaporated milk, half a can of pumpkin puree, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of pumpkin spice, 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Then once you blend that all up, you're gonna strain it and then you're gonna add 4 cups of water and then you're gonna mix and your horchata is ready to go. Pumpkin spice season is all the rave and I love pumpkin everything. So as soon as I saw this on TikTok, I had to do it for myself. And I will say this was bomb.com. If you love everything pumpkin, definitely give this a try.